What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP come to y'all with another how-to. Today I got a 2019 Toyota RAV4, and I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out. This is the non-JBL version, so the radio is actually right behind that screen. So you can use this for a couple different reasons. You actually can't make a radio fit in here, but I need to tap into those wires to hook up my line output converter. So that's what we're gonna do today. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing. These are the type of things we do: car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio install related. That's what this channel is about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. First thing you want to do is take off this little cover piece. You can use your panel removal tool. I had this little low profile panel little situation, and just want to pop that up like that. Once you get that, you should be able to put your fingers behind it and continue popping up the clips. Might have to stick that back off in there on this side. There we go. And y'all, as y'all can see, that's only held in with those clips right there. Now we actually have two 10 mils on this side, two 10 mils on that side. And after we take them 10 mils out, guess what? We'll have that radio. Now that we have that, you just want to pull forward. There's one more clip on each side, and voila. So we have our wires right here. That's what I'm gonna use to actually tap in for my line output converter. So maybe you have a display screen that's cracked and you need to replace your radio. Maybe you're just replacing the whole radio. Maybe you're doing what I'm doing, trying to get you're trying to install a sub amp, and you need to tap into these wires. And if you need that kind of information, I do provide that stuff for my Patreons. They actually go the extra mile in supporting the channel, so I go the extra mile in giving them more troubleshooting tips, exact wire colors and all that type of stuff. Now if you just want to know how to install a line output converter, I have a card in the corner right here that should probably be popping up. You guys can refer to that for more information. But if you want exact wire colors for this car or the car that you're working on, then that's what the Patreon is for. So other than that, all those links will be in the description. If you found any type of value in it, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. And till next time, this your boy JP signing out, man. I'll see y'all at the next car.